Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Ini kilong ki khubor ki ba menta kasni. Umentri rang ba kajala u Conrad ke sangma menha ka ar phlai trek ula plipaj ba ya ka MRI. Han Nazareth Hospital haka jingyalang kabalengkot balap penlong hak conference hall. Haka jingpli ya ka kor kabor ai jing sumar kabat thamai ka MRI. Ladon lang u Archbishop Victor Lengdo ka Shalong Archdiocese u Dr. H. Rengat ka Sister Norin Administrator ka Nazareth Hospital bat kinong tray. Haba pli ya ka kor ai jing sumar MRI u Conrad sangma ul ai jing Iaroh ya ka Nazareth kabala ai jing Shakri ya ki pajba ka jala ka ba bahatam.
We expect that we'll be able to take care of the needs of the requirement, of the doctors and at the same time at the nurse level also through this recruitment board. Apart from that, we realize that grassroots level issues and problems, like for example the ASHAs. We had a huge problem because the ASHAs and the grassroots were not able to provide the services and they were facing a lot of financial challenges. And you'll be happy to know today that there's been a major reformation in the way we are dealing with the ASHAs, and whatever benefits and schemes that were meant for them, which was not given pre-2018, you'll be happy to know that 4 or 5 years of balance was cleared in the last, that means the balance that was there from 2014, 15, 16, 17, where no payments were made. All those payments, along with the payments which were due during the 18, 19, 20, 21 period, we cleared all of the 8 years in this last 5 years itself. And hence, those benefits which were pending for a long time were given to them. We have computerized the process in which the ASHAs today now get their benefits. No longer do they have to manually write, but everything is on technology. And from the date they are able to upload on the portal, in a matter of week to 10 days, they are able to get their incentives, which otherwise used to take months and months, sometimes even a whole year. And hence these kind of reforms have allowed the human resource aspect also to be managed better, and we are seeing the manpower overall performing much better, the grassroots, and we expect things to improve much more in the coming years. I will be too early to go into it today, but I can share with you that we are having a very, very important meeting of the cabinet day after tomorrow, in which major decisions will be made regarding the medical colleges of our state. We have been working on this for the last many months. In fact, it started in the last term itself. But day after tomorrow, we will be making some major announcements. Our Honorable Health Minister will make the announcements after we have passed it in the cabinet, where we will be announcing the plans for at least 3 medical colleges that are there, and we'll be putting in a timeline on how long it will take, at the same time the money that's going to be spent on it and the working mechanism in which it will happen. And with the completion of these 3 medical colleges which are going to be there, I'm sure that we'll be able to. Details are there, but I don't want to share it or go into it right now. Of years, and especially last few months, the Honorable last week, and now it's only a cabinet note. And as you know that Meghalaya has maybe one of the better, this will be worked out, will be better in the future. So not only for the health sector, which you'll be happy to know is that we have come up with a board and a corporate thing that used to happen, and that led to a lot of delay in the kind of medication that used to reach the CHCs and PHCs, and hence we have decided to completely go for a computerized based system, and indenting that will be done in a much more scientific manner and centralized manner, of course getting inputs from everywhere, and it will be a system that is going to be more professionally run, because we are seeing that there's a lot of wastage of medicine, and therefore it can be reduced and maximum utility can be obtained by having a bit more professional approach to it. So in a matter of few weeks, we will see this also roll out, and we should see that this entire medication issue should be resolved to a large extent. We are also working very aggressively to come up with what has been going on with Government of India, what we call Jan Aushadhi Kendras. These are generic medicines that are available at a much cheaper rate. We have decided to come up with our own Meghalaya's Jan Aushadhi Kendra, because The one where the center, though benefits are there, there are a lot of bottlenecks for which our people are not able to apply, and the supply chain is not very good. So we are trying to come out with our own stores where we will run it through entrepreneurs and local people, and this will allow the people to get generic medicines at a much cheaper rate at the rural level, and this again will be a major transformation in terms of the health sector.